What's going on, everyone? I hope this video finds you and it finds you doing well. So I thought with all the recent flooding in Ohio and Kentucky, I would take a different perspective on the floods. It's horrible, and I feel for the families that are going through their difficulties, losing their homes and all of their belongings. But I want to give a different perspective on how powerful and how beautiful water can really be. The sun has been in and out all day, so I'm going to take my chances. We'll see what happens when we get up there. Hopefully I can get some views with the sun shining through so we can catch that mist. I'm not going to shoot any video on the way there, take any signage or anything. Just going to focus on getting there, so when I'm done with this intro, it's going to flip straight over to the dam. And I won't be able to give much in the way of dialogue while I'm there because the decibel level is going to be 100 plus. It's going to be really loud. Because it is going to be so loud there, I'm having a hard time deciding whether or not I want to edit this video with all of the thunderous sound of the water, or if so I'm going to head down this little path here to get down to the lower platform that you may have seen in the video. Let's see. Okay, sounds good to me. So, yep, just heading down the path. See, it's a little bit chilly out here. We got to get down here and get some footage of this. Now to make the leisurely walk back up this path, and we're gonna try and get some video from the other side. That was a fun time, and hopefully you guys enjoy. Like I said, I just wanted to give a different perspective. Keep shooting that video. That's always the point, guys.